1, page 95, problem 7. Find the length of A in the right triangle below. Round to the nearest tenths. First step, label sides A, B, and C. So let's start with, here's my right angle. The side opposite that is the hypotenuse, so label it C. This side's already labeled A, so label the other leg B. So after labeling the sides, go on and write your Pythagorean theorem formula down. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Plug in your values. Substitute B is 1 and 5 for C. So you have A squared plus B is 1, so substitute 1 there. And substitute your 5 for C. 1 times 1 is 1, and 5 times 5 is 25. Then the opposite of adding 1 is subtracting 1. So subtract 1 from both sides. 25 minus 1 is 24. And bring down your A squared. Then take the square root of both sides. The square root of A squared and the square root of 24. The square root of A squared is A. And we need to take our calculator and do second square root 24. And we do get a decimal number. We're going to have to round here. This is what we get on our calculator, something like this. I try and write as many numbers down as I can on the board before I run out of room. Okay, now if I round to the nearest tenths, this 9 tells me to round that 8 up to a 9. So that missing side would be 4.9.